Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you how to make a house plan in the dimensions of 28 by 70 feet. Width is 28 feet, length is 70 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients, so if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation, or for any type of building, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. So let's get started guys. As you can see guys, this is its front, this is roadside. The house is located in north direction. Guys, you can see width is 28 feet. Now guys, the first one we have, this is main gate, which is 10 feet. Here guys, you can see this is lawn. Width of this lawn is 8 feet. In main gate guys, we have also the car porch, which size is 12 by 16 feet. Guys, we have two passage. One is at the side, which width is 4.5 feet. At the back side also we have a lawn, which width is 10 feet guys, you can see. This is guys main entrance. Width of this entrance is 5 feet. As you can see, width is 5 feet, and this is the first access for this stair hall. Size is 8 feet. Especially width is 8 feet. 8 feet for first floor. Okay guys, you can see clearly this is its window for proper ventilation. Next guys, you can see this is the drawing room. This is door for drawing room. Size of this drawing room is 12 feet by 14 feet, and this is window to the front lawn, which width is 8 feet. Next guys, you can see this is access to this dining. Size of this dining is 12 by 12 feet. This is a dining. Now guys, you can see this is access to this kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 8 by 10 feet. And this is the other dirty kitchen, which size is 8 by 10 feet. Here guys, we have the window. As you can see, here we have the window. Also at this place we have the window. Circular window also we have, so you can make a window same like this. Next guys, you can see we have these dotted lines can show you the hidden beam in the slab. So this is TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge is, you can see guys, 31 by 14 feet. Length is 31 feet. Width is 14 feet. Okay, so this is sitting area. Guys, you can see also we have the basement. So this stair is specially for the basement, and this is up for stair, which width is 3.5 feet. And here under the stair we have for proper ventilation we have the windows. 4 windows we have here, which width is about 2.5 feet to this open passage or open to sky side. Next guys, you can see this is the first master bed, which size is 11 by 14 feet, and here you will find the cross ventilation to this open passage and also at the back lawn. Okay, width of this window is 7 feet. Same, this one is 8 feet. Next guys, you can see this is wardrobe or changing area, you can say, and this is the bath. Size of this bath is 7 by 6 feet. Width is 6 feet, length is 7 feet, and this is its ventilation to this open sky. Next guys, you can see the same dimensions you can see for this bedroom. Size is 11 by 14 feet, and this is its dressing area, dressing room, and this is bath. Size of the bath is 7 by 6. Same, you can see this one, and this is wardrobe. This is its window. So guys, you can see clearly. So you can make a screenshot from this planning if you like it. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.